I see what you did there. No storm, just Shefali, I'm pleased to say. No stormy weather on the way, but there is some wet weather on the way. And the cloud today was well and truly across the region. You can see from our Weather Watchers pictures, much cloudier than the last couple of days. Fairly wet as well. We have had some rain today, but at least it was mild. Temperatures were into the low teens, 12 Celsius, 13 Celsius, and they're set to rise just a little bit higher by the tomorrow. And that's because they're going to be peaking. And then they'll start to taper off by the time we get to the weekend. So here's what it's looking like over the weekend. We'll get some rain on Sunday. It's drier on Saturday, but it's going to be mild and it's windy. And the winds are also a feature of the next few days. So that will add a slight wind chill, but because we're in a milder air mass, that's why it's not going to affect us too much. But the milder air mass is coming from these warm sectors that are going to be crossing the region over the coming days, and they're going to be driven on by low pressure. And by the time we get to Tuesday next week, temperatures are starting to topple. So into this evening then, and it's largely dry picture. We will see some breaks in the cloud, and where we do, we'll get some mist patches developing as well. But where we get thicker cloud, we'll get a spot of drizzle here and there. But look at those temperatures in the south of the region, particularly 10 Celsius, so fractionally lower than today's values. Very mild for a night. The wind's still fairly noticeable, and they're going to start to pick up by the time we get to tomorrow, ahead of a frontal system that's pushing in from the west. Now, this is a cold front bringing in quite a bit of rain through the middle part of the day. There's a lot of cloud on either side of it, mist patches during the morning lifting, but it's a murky picture, but a mild one. Temperatures rising to 13, possibly even 14 Celsius at a push in southern parts of the region. So looking further ahead then, that rain out of the way tomorrow night. It's a dry one with some clearer spells, but we'll see just a few showers starting to develop across southern parts, southwestern parts of the region, which will slip southeastwards on Saturday itself. So Saturday, the start of the weekend, lots of dry weather, but a more active band of rain moving up from the southwest by the time we get to Sunday.